In the boundless blue of our planet's oceans, a silent and ancient order prevails. It is a world not of chaos, but of strictly defined boundaries, territories established over millions of years of evolution. While we see only water, the predators beneath see a map of resources, refuge, and risk. Today we embark on an extensive exploration of these invisible borders. We will investigate the lives of three distinct species: the nurse shark, the reef shark, and the tiger shark. Each has found a unique way to own their corner of the sea. From the benthic caves of the shallows to the thousands of miles of the open ocean, we will see who owns what territory and why it matters for the survival of the ocean itself. This is the story of shark sovereignty. Our journey begins in the sun-drenched shallows, the domain of the nurse shark. Among all large sharks, the nurse shark is perhaps the most sedentary. They are the ultimate homebodies. While other sharks must swim to breathe, the nurse shark has evolved a different strategy. Using a technique called buccal pumping, they can rest motionless on the seafloor for hours, even days. This ability allows them to establish a territory that is incredibly small, often just a few hundred meters around a specific cave or ledge. This is their sanctuary, a place of high site fidelity where they return dawn after dawn. We'll observe their social huddles, where dozens of sharks may pile together, sharing the safety of the reef's shadows. When darkness falls, the lazy nurse shark reveals its true nature as a methodical hunter. They do not range far, but they are highly efficient within their small territory. Their suction-feeding mechanism allows them to vacuum prey out of crevices that other sharks cannot reach. This niche allows them to coexist with more active predators, as they aren't competing for the same midwater fish. Their territory is three-dimensional, encompassing the complex architecture of the reef. We will look at how they use their barbels to sense prey hidden in the sand and how they defend their specific feeding spots from competitors. Their life is one of precision and patience, a perfect adaptation to the coastal shallows. Leaving the benthic caves of the nurse shark, we move to the vibrant edges of the coral shelf. Here, the territory is held by the reef sharks. These are the active patrollers, the constant presence that keeps the reef in balance. Unlike the sedentary nurse shark, reef sharks are always on the move, their bodies designed for efficient, continuous swimming. Their territory is a vast network of channels, drop-offs, and coral gardens. While they show a strong attachment to a particular reef system, their home range is significantly larger, spanning several kilometers. They are the middle managers of the ocean, regulating the populations of reef fish and ensuring that the weak and sick are removed. Socially, reef sharks are far more complex than many realize. They are not solitary killers, but social animals that often aggregate in groups. We'll visit cleaning stations, neutral zones within their territory where they gather to have parasites removed by smaller fish. These are the town squares of the reef. We will also examine their sophisticated communication, including the famous threat display of the gray reef shark. By arching their backs and dropping their pectoral fins, they signal their dominance and warn intruders to back off. This behavior prevents unnecessary conflict and maintains the order of the reef. It is a territory governed by social rules and constant vigilance. Now, we venture beyond the reef into the domain of the nomadic giant, the tiger shark. For the tiger shark, boundaries are fluid. They are the wanderers of the sea, claiming entire ocean basins as their own. A single individual may travel thousands of miles in a year, following the ancient cues of water temperature and seasonal prey. Their territory isn't a fixed location, but a dynamic path through the world. We will track their movements across the open ocean, where they act as the ultimate apex predator. From the surface down to depths of nearly 3,000 feet, the tiger shark is at home everywhere. They are the seasonal overlords, appearing when the turtles nest or the birds begin to fly. The tiger shark's versatility is unmatched. They can thrive in the crystal-clear waters of the Bahamas and the murky estuaries of tropical rivers. This adaptability allows them to exploit territories that are off-limits to other large sharks. We'll explore their unique garbage can diet, a trait that makes them the ocean's ultimate opportunists. Their territory is wherever there is food. We will see how they use their powerful senses to detect prey over vast distances, from the scent of a carcass to the electric signals of a buried ray. In the great hierarchy of the sea, The tiger shark sits at the top, a nomadic force that links distant ecosystems together. In the final part of our journey, we look at where these territories overlap. In productive coastal corridors, these three life strategies intersect. We see the nurse shark on the bottom, the reef shark in the mid-water, and the tiger shark passing through from above. It is a tiered system of predation that ensures every resource is utilized. We will examine the interactions between these species, how a large tiger shark can become a predator of the very nurse and reef sharks we've studied. This overlap is where the true complexity of the ocean is revealed. It is a balance of power, a shifting map of dominance that changes with the seasons and the size of the individuals involved. Understanding these territories is more than a scientific exercise. It is vital for conservation. Each shark type plays a specific role. The nurse shark cleans the seafloor, the reef shark maintains the coral health, and the tiger shark links remote ecosystems. By protecting their territories, we protect the entire ocean. We'll look at the threats they face, from habitat loss to overfishing, and how our understanding of their movements can help create more effective marine protected areas. The borders of the sea are fragile, and their preservation is our responsibility. As our exploration comes to a close, we reflect on the incredible diversity of life beneath the surface. The sedentary resident, the social patroller, and the nomadic wanderer, each has found a way to survive and thrive in the blue wilderness. They are the architects of the ocean's balance, the ancient guardians of the deep. By respecting their territories, we honor the ancient wisdom of the sea. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the sovereign domains of the nurse, reef, and tiger sharks. May we always find wonder in their world and the courage to protect it.